Hey guys, in this video, we will talk about how to use Gempages Shopify. Gempages is a plugin that enables you to better design your Shopify store. So let's get into it. Here I am on the dashboard of Shopify. From the left side menu, click on Add Apps. And from the bottom, click on the Shopify App Store. Once it opens, type Gempages in the search bar. This first plugin is Gempages. Simply click on it. Now click over the Install button. Which will lead you to the Shopify install page. From here, click on the Install app from the upper right corner. It will take some time to install. Once it is done, you will see a page like this. Here you will find some options to build the pages, like landing pages, product pages, home page, collection pages, blog posts, and a new online store. I am going to select product pages and then click over Create Your Page. And here, you can customize your page with different given options. Like if you go over to the left side, here is the option of global style with different sub-options. And then templates. When you click over it, you will see the various templates. You simply scroll down and select the one that is most suitable for your store. On the left side, you will see some filters to select the template for your store, like I am going to click on the ClickThought landing page and then select this template among the filtered pages. This is the page that I have selected for my store right now. Here are the different options to customize this template, as I can change the heading, add my own heading to it, and also select the style of heading from here. And you can change the font style from here. Then increase the font size. Here are some other options, like bold, italic, and underline text. From here, you can select the color of the text. You can add the color that you want. From here, you can set text align. Here are different other options. You can have a look at them. Once you are done with the heading, you can also change the other part of the template. When you click on any part, you will see some options. You can delete or edit that part of the page. I am going to delete some parts that I don't need on this page. You can also change or delete the image if you don't want. I am going to delete it here right now. If we look at the further options, here are the advanced options. When you click over it, some sub-options will appear here. From the upper bar, you can adjust the display of your page with some options like desktop, tablet, phone, and then full screen. I like to go with a desktop display. If you look further, here are undo and redo options that you can choose according to your needs. Then here are the product page, title of the page, draft, and then the save and publish button. You can change the layout of the page simply by adding some other parts that you want to add. I'm going to add a main heading right now. Then I will type some text here. For example, I am going to write here my store name, HS Production. Then I will customize it by some features like font size, and then bold it, and then change font style. And then I will align the text on it. I am going to edit it until it looks perfect on the page. Once it is done, simply click the Publish button from the upper right corner. It will take a few moments to publish. So that was all about how you can use Gempages in Shopify. I hope you learned something from this video. If you have any question, don't hesitate to comment down below. And thank you for watching.